Hi everyone! I'm Maria Cecilia Verdin. My family calls me Isil, Manang, or Mokoy. Some other people call me Cecilia or Cecil.
I live in Poroxais, Dapitan, Cordova, Cebu. I am currently studying at Cordova Public College and I am a returnee. I was taking Bachelor in Elementary Education in 2015.
My expectations for the course is that we will learn the importance of the room division in the hotel and to understand the responsibility of the room divisions and the economic aspects in the whole process.
In every classroom, there should be a policy that we should follow. We should turn off our mic in our online class if our classmates or our teacher is talking. We should be responsible in everything we do. We make sure that our location for our online class is not noisy so that we will not be distracted. And as a student, we have the responsibility to do our tasks to pass our modules before the due date.
I choose hospitality management because there are a lot of career opportunities for anyone in the world of tourism. It offers great job and career opportunities. I choose hospitality management because I love to travel and I wanted to learn the culture of other countries. And once again, I am Maria Cecilia Verdin from BSHM 3E.